Hi, this is your Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is your future Houston Chiropractor, Tristan Wendt.
Sir.
Now, Tristan actually leaves for Palmer in about 3 weeks. Yeah, not just about, exactly 3 weeks from today. So watch for his journey through Palmer College of Chiropractic. It's going to be a historical journey. No one's ever done a video journey through their Palmer College of Chiropractic career in their life, so it's going to be historic.
Yes, sir.
Speaking of historic, I just want to share with you the reason that we do these YouTube videos is to educate the planet on the benefits of chiropractic care. And this one's going to be done especially for Texas licensed chiropractors, so that when you go to see your local chiropractor in your area in the state of Texas, we want you to tell them, and I'm not speaking officially as the TCA or the Texas Board of Chiropractic Examiners, but I am speaking to you as a proud member and active member of the Texas Chiropractic Association and a licensee of the Texas Board of Chiropractic Examiners, which I received 39 years ago in July. So Tristan is just starting his journey, and I'm 39 years past that point. So this one's dedicated to every patient throughout the entire state of Texas who needs musculoskeletal care for neck pain, back pain, headaches, sciatica, all types of neuromusculoskeletal conditions that chiropractors in Texas treat. We want to fill their offices up with new patients just like yourself who are suffering from neck pain and back pain, and tell them that your Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, that's me, referred them in, but also tell them the TCA referred you in there to their offices. That's the Texas Chiropractic Association. Again, I'm not speaking for the Texas Chiropractic Association, but I am speaking to you as a member of the Texas Chiropractic Association. Texas licensed chiropractors. Now, you get that? Texas licensed. You have to be licensed to practice chiropractic in the state of Texas, and that's done by the Texas Board of Chiropractic Examiners in Austin. It's a very rigorous exam, oral and written, plus you have to pass the national boards, have your chiropractic diploma, which is 8 years. You've already taken your first 4 years, pre-chiropractic, pre-med courses.
2 of masters.
And then you got your master's degree in kinesiology.
3 more of chiropractic school.
Well, that's you going full year round. There's 4 years of graduate school.
Exactly.
So the education that chiropractors have is something that most people just don't know. So we are inviting like KHOU, KXAN, KPRC, Clip 2 Houston, all the local news stations here in Houston to invite us on their news programs and tell the public what's really going on with chiropractic in the state of Texas, because a lot of people just don't know. They're not ignorant people, they're just ignorant of the subject. So we want to continually educate the public on the many benefits of chiropractic care. That's how I met this fine young man.
Yes,
he came in to me as a patient, playing
3.5 years
center
ago
at Sam Houston State University, and had severe herniated disc and lumbosacral radiculopathy, commonly known as sciatica. And I adjusted him and got him back on the football field, and he finished out his football career at Sam Houston State, and now he's actually going to become your next Houston chiropractor. So
yes,
he's been in here interning with me for over a year now.
Yep, June was a year.
Yep.
So over a year now.
It's happy anniversary to all of us. So we're going to go ahead and show you the type of treatment that we practice here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And don't expect every Texas licensed chiropractor to practice like this, because everybody has their own unique styles. They do common techniques, but I'm not the same as some of the other Texas chiropractors I refer patients out to. That's okay. Just so long as you're being seen by a Texas licensed chiropractor and it's benefiting you and helping you and your family to live a healthier quality style of life. That's really the whole purpose of what we do. We want to improve the quality of your life and your health naturally without the use of drugs and or surgeries. I mean, how many opioid addicts do we have in here today that have been able to get off of opioids as a result of their chiropractic care?
Yep. And some that
About six of them, and most of them are veterans and plant workers.
Yep.
And we saw a bunch of new patients from Tri-West today, which is all veterans.
Yes, sir. To the VA.
Yep, and referred here by the VA. So chiropractic is a primary portal of entry into the healthcare system. We diagnose and treat musculoskeletal conditions of the human body. And that's primarily the spine, but we also treat extremities, hips, knees, ankles, wrists, elbows, shoulders. You know, that old saying about the ankle bone connected to the knee bone, connected to the hip bone. That's all really true, and it all does work together, because I can tell you for sure, when I broke my toe this last 2 weeks ago up at the Texas Chiropractic Association convention, I have been walking around with what's called altered ambulatory kinetics, limping, and that creates
Altered compensatory
kinetics in my pelvis and my spine. So I need to get an adjustment. As soon as Tristan gets his Texas license, he's gonna give me one.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's check you out today, Tristan. Yeah, see, his head's still just a tad forward, but not bad. Still got that lean to the right. I think that's all the impacts you took from football all
Probably
those
so.
years.
Yep.
Repetitive trauma. Your pelvis is right down the middle. Yep. So we're going to start off over here. Since I've already adjusted Tristan many times throughout the past several years, I'm going to start him off on the ring there. I do new patients first on the biophysics table, and then this second on them after I get a feel for the ligamentous tonicity and the full range of motion of those joints that I'm adjusting in the cervicals, thoracic, lumbar spine, and pelvis. There we go. Okay. Get your ponytail down there. There we go. Okay. That's it, boy.
Man, needed that.
I don't even have to ask Tristan if he felt that all the way down. I've been adjusting him so long, I feel it. I know he did. Tilt left and move your right ear. There you go. There you go. Good job. That was a little tight.
I need that.
So we're going to do a knee chest adjustment on Tristan next. And this is the Gonstead technique. And I use it primarily for the lower thoracic spine, where the thoracic kyphosis transitions into the lumbar lordosis, which I need as well. And by the way, Jeremy is now in here as a new intern who's going to be going to Palmer College of Chiropractic. He's behind the camera right now. And he's just getting started with us, doing his internship for his university master's program at
Houston Baptist.
Houston Baptist, that's right.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, doesn't get any better than that.
From that rough 4-day weekend.
That's so tough. Yeah, I was limping around all weekend everywhere I went. I got some altered ambulatory and compensatory kinetics from it, but I'm still in here doing my job. And we're just finishing up in here for the day, so we thought we'd take time to do this video for all Texas licensed chiropractors. And if you live in the state of Texas, go see your local chiropractor that's a Texas licensed chiropractor, and tell them that I sent you or that the TCA sent you, so that they'll know that you found out about chiropractic care watching our YouTube videos. And at this point in time, I'm not quite sure. I would have to venture to say that there's been very few people who haven't seen them. Wouldn't you say?
Yes, sir.
Should be in pain.
Nope. Smooth as silk.
Yeah, there you go. See, he's getting all my lines down too. I'm not done yet.
Yep. Good luck today.
P to A adjustment on C3-4, C5-6,
T1.
and then down T1, T2 right there. Yep. Bring that big old bowling ball of Tristan's head up over his spine where it's supposed to be.
At least there's no helmet on it anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
I really did wear a bowling ball in my head.
Yeah, he did. And Tristan's going to be starting his journey in Palmer mid-July, so he's going to be doing a whole bunch of videos on his new YouTube channel. So if you look at the bottom of our description box on all of our new videos, you'll see a hyperlink to Tristan's YouTube channel. Please subscribe and support him by watching his videos and utilizing the exercises and stretches that he does on those videos.
I got 25 up right now.
25 out of several thousand to come.
Yes, sir.
But those are good ones. And they're real practical home exercises and home stretches that you can do. You don't have to go to a gym to do all of
There's
them.
only one or two that require like actual free weights.
Yeah, and those. And don't try to lift as much as Tristan does either.
I made sure to do lightweight. And
Yeah,
I don't
lightweight, only 450 pounds
Yeah.
rather than 500.
I don't want to show off.
Yeah. Tristan is a humble man. He gets that from me.
Yes.
Hey, we have fun in here though, don't we?
I'm learning to open up a little bit more.
Yeah, you are. Okay, let's stand right here and shoot you now. I'll draw that. And the reason I do this, people always want to know why I do this. I'm not using a glue gun or staple gun on him. I am adjusting his atlas on the x-axis, which reverberates between the occiput and C2, which is the vertebra below axis. So when C1 then reverberates back down into the normal joint alignment, it opens pathways up into the cerebellum from the medulla oblongata, which is housed in C1 and C2. That's the brainstem, and that controls our most primordial functions as human beings, which is cardiovascular and respiratory function. There you go. On a swivel.
Yes, sir. 6'2" now.
Yeah, there you go. So, please seek out your local Texas licensed chiropractor and tell them that Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson and the Texas Chiropractic Association referred you in to see them in the state of Texas. This is your Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson and your future Houston Chiropractor Tristan Wendt, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.